Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and if you are running a PC that has a integrated graphics chip of Intel, the Intel HD graphics chip, there is an update for the drivers, the graphics drivers available for Windows 10, released on January the 4th, so it was released yesterday. And it fixes quite a few things. I've seen a lot of people complain of blue screens, crashes, slow frame rates on some games that have Intel HD graphics. And it seems that the driver that they had issued, the last one, is kind of a little buggy. So if you are one of those that has these problems, and even if you don't, you can actually update the driver to make sure you have the latest version. I'll share the link to this page, and you can actually click the Intel Graphics download for the drivers. So basically, these drivers are available from time to time. They update because there's some bugs, and sometimes it's security fixes and so on. Sometimes the drivers are also updated to make sure that they are compatible with certain games. In this case, it's there's no added games compatibility or anything. It's really because some people have been complaining of some problems with frame rates and freezes. So quite a few bugs. There's still a list of bugs, though, on this driver that is noted by Intel. But if you want to check it out, it's good for any Intel graphics GPU, CPU from generation 6th generation and up. So depending on what you have. If you're not sure, you can look in your device manager. You can right click on the start menu, go into device manager, and in device manager you go simply under the display adapters. And if you have an Intel graphics, I don't, but simply double click and look at the driver number. If the driver number starts by 27 dot something, it's probably an HD graphics driver that you can install. And if you download it and it's not made for your hardware, it's going to tell you anyways. So you can't install it if it's not for your computer. So the latest drivers are out for Intel and fixes both CPU, GPU bugs in the Intel chips. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up, and just check the link in the description below the video to download the latest graphics chip drivers.